Welcome to Guimaras. If you're in Iloilo, you definitely need to add this to your bucket list. It's only a short boat ride away from the city, making it the perfect destination for a quick getaway or even just a fun day trip. Join us as we explore one of the Philippines' most beautiful and underrated destinations. Because Guimaras is more than just mangoes, it's history, culture, stunning beaches, and the warmest people.
Morning po.
Hola! Early in the morning, our rented car was delivered straight to our hotel for our Guimaras day trip. While Kenneth was talking to the owner, I made sure to check the car inside and out and documented everything. This way, we know the exact condition of the car when it was handed over to us. We decided to rent a car para mas madali for us. No need to commute, and of course, we can manage our own time. Special thanks to Rent and Ride Iloilo Car Rental for the smooth transaction. With our ride ready, it's time to explore the beauty of Guimaras. Since may dala kaming car, we went to FF Cruise Shipping Corporation. You can easily search it naman on Google Maps. We paid 946 pesos round trip for us and the car. So don't forget to keep your tickets. Good thing, maiksi lang ang pila and may staff na nag-a-assist. So hassle-free yung tickets and terminal fee. Once settled, you have two options. Stay inside the car or umakyat ka sa open air deck if gusto mo ng fresh sea breeze. The ride itself is quick. About 15 to 20 minutes from Iloilo to Guimaras. And just like that, nasa Guimaras na kami, ready to explore this beautiful island. First up, the famous smallest plaza in the Philippines, just a few minutes away from the port. These plazas spans only around 200 to 300 square meters, officially the smallest in the country, and once even recognized by Guinness as one of the smallest plazas in the world. It's proof that small spaces can hold big stories. Second stop, another highlight, the man-made forest of Guimaras. Stretching for several hectares, this mahogany-lined forest along the circumferential road is a living proof of reforestation and environmental care. Walking here feels like entering a serene, photogenic tunnel of trees. We even bumped into our librarian friends from the Gigantes Island tour. Perfect timing for a quick catch-up. Of course, hindi rin mawawala ang souvenirs. From mango magnets to that unique wood with a natural cross inside. Third stop, early lunch at the Pitstop, home of the famous mango pizza. Aside from their signature pizza, they also serve other dishes with a mango twist. We ordered the bangus sisig with mango bits too. The mango pizza resembles the flavor of a cheesy pizza fused with that sweet mango flavor. As for the sisig, it's your usual bangus sisig, but the mango bits on top add a unique sweet kick. And we're off to our next destination, the Guisi Lighthouse. It's about a 30-minute drive from the town proper of Guimaras. Upon arriving, may magko-collect ng 10 pesos environmental fee, plus may pay parking din for those bringing cars. From the parking area, you'll need to walk a bit to reach the lighthouse. Hindi naman kalayuan, but for seniors or anyone with difficulty walking, medyo challenging. Now, here we are at the Guisi Lighthouse, one of the most iconic landmarks in Guimaras. Guisi Lighthouse isn't just a pretty ruin, it's the second oldest lighthouse in the country, standing as a witness to centuries of maritime history here in Guimaras. It really feels good to visit historical places. Kaya every time we travel, sinisigurado talaga namin na included sa itinerary ang mga historical landmarks if available. Because at the end of the day, It's not just about the sights, it's also about experiencing the stories and the legacy they carry. The Guisi Lighthouse is more than just a viewpoint. It's a historical landmark built in the 18th century during the Spanish colonial period to guide ships passing through the Panay Gulf and Iloilo Strait. What makes it beautiful is not just the lighthouse itself, but also the ruins of the Spanish outposts surrounding it. Kahit weathered and rustic na, the structures give you that historical and cinematic vibe. Let's continue the adventure to our next destination. Isa talaga to sa pinaka-nilook forward namin here in Guimaras. And here we are at the Alobijod Cove Resort. By the way, ako mismo ang gumagawa ng itinerary namin for our convenience. Para at least may control kami kung gusto namin magstay longer sa isang spot or move on na agad. This place is actually one of the most popular jump-off points for island hopping. Aside from that, sikat din siya for its long stretch of white sand, crystal clear waters, and super chill vibe. Surprisingly, malaki pala ang resort. Ang dami nilang rooms and cottages. So you can actually choose to stay overnight or just a quick beach day. Pero the real reason why we're here is because of the island hopping experience they offer. Pagdating namin, naghintay kami ng mga around 30 minutes for the next available boat. Buti na lang, they have a resto cafe. So while waiting, nagrelax muna kami and tried some of their drinks. Alobijod Cove Resort sits right on the shoreline of Alobijod Beach in Nueva Valencia, a well-loved spot here in Guimaras. What makes it stand out is not just the inviting stretch of soft sand and swimmable waters, but also the fact that it's the primary getaway for island hopping adventures in this part of the island. Island hopping from the resort usually takes you to 4 must-visit destinations: Natago Beach, Guimaras Cave, Ave Maria Island, and Floating Cottage. That's why if you're visiting Guimaras, Alobijod Cove is a must. Not only for its beautiful beachfront, but also it serves as a gateway to some of the island's most stunning attractions. Pagdating ng boat, tinawag na rin kami to get ready for boarding. As for the rates, super budget-friendly din. 900 pesos for the first hour, then 400 pesos for every succeeding hour. Each boat can accommodate up to 6 persons, kaya masulit if you're traveling as a group. The whole island hopping experience usually lasts 2 to 3 hours, depending kung gaano kayo katagal magstay sa bawat island. For our first destination, the Natago Beach. Mula sa pinaghintuan ng boat, kailangan ng konting walking at light trekking papunta sa photo spot kung saan makikita yung tinatawag nilang Hidden Beach. May maliit lang na environmental fee of 50 pesos per person and honestly, worth it naman. Pagdating sa taas, ang ganda talaga ng view. Overlooking, fresh air, and malaki yung area. Kung may drone kayo, this is one of the best spots to fly it kasi kita nyo talaga yung buong stretch ng beach. Ngayon naman, let's head down para mas makita natin up close ang beach. At first glance pa lang, super inviting ng tubig dagat. Kung may dala kayong pang swimming, don't miss the chance to dip in. You'll also get to see a mini sandbar and some interesting rock formations na nagbibigay ng extra charm sa lugar. The name Natago literally translates to hidden. And true enough, This beach is tucked away behind hills and rock formations. That's why a short trek is needed before you get there. It's one of the less crowded beaches in Guimaras, making it the perfect spot if you're after a quiet and peaceful escape. On our way to the next islands, medyo nagpaparamdam na yung weather. The waves were starting to get stronger, and as you can see in the video, malalakas na talaga yung hampas ng alon sa bangka namin. Hindi man kami nakaligo sa dagat pero basang-basa pa rin kami dahil sa alon. So we decided na wag na munang bumaba sa ibang destinations. Instead, inikot na lang kami ni Kuya para at least makita pa rin namin kahit from a distance. Honestly, we didn't want to risk it. Lalo na't na-experience na rin namin before yung bad weather during our Gigantes Island tour. Overall, sulit na rin yung experience. Parang naka-private tour na rin kami. After the trip, we handed the payment directly to Kuya Tour Guide. And since basang-basa kami from the strong waves, we had to change into dry clothes before heading out. On our way back to the port, we decided to make a quick stop at the Guimaras Provincial capital. Little did we know, kakatapos lang pala ng Mango Festival last May. And of course, andito rin yung malaking Guimaras signage. Perfect spot for photos and yes, even for a few TikTok dance trends. Syempre, a trip to Guimaras wouldn't be complete without trying their world-famous mangoes. Guimaras mangoes are considered among the sweetest in the world and are even exported to other countries because of their premium quality. That just gives me another reason to come back, hopefully during the Mango Festival itself. Back at the port, medyo mahaba na rin ang pila for the ferry ride. Just to remind you, the round-trip fare we paid earlier in Iloilo already covers this ride back. Ang kailangan na lang bayaran dito is the terminal fee of 130 pesos. Here at the Guimaras Port, wala masyadong staff na nag-a-assist unlike in Iloilo. That's why you really need to step out of your car and settle the payment on your own. Medyo natagalan lang din kami sa pagsakay kasi waiting pa kami for the second ferry to arrive. We had to wait since marami na ring vehicles na nakaline up ahead of us. Ibang ferry na rin ang nasakyan namin going back. And this time, wala na talagang deck na pwedeng tambayan. Kaya lahat ng passengers ended up staying inside their cars for the whole ride. And once everybody was on board and settled, mabilis na rin ang biyahe pabalik to Iloilo. And that concludes our Guimaras adventure. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next travel video. Thank you for watching!